Hey there! Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and unable to complete your daily tasks? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle with productivity, but the good news is that there are ways to improve. In this video, I'll be sharing tips and tricks for becoming more productive and achieving your goals. 1. Set clear and specific goals. The first step to being more productive is to set clear and specific goals. This means breaking down your overall objectives into smaller, achievable tasks. This way, you'll be able to focus on one task at a time and measure your progress. To set effective goals, make sure they are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 2. Prioritize your tasks. Once you have your goals set, it's time to prioritize your tasks. This means determining which tasks are most important and should be completed first. To do this, you can use a prioritization matrix, which categorizes tasks based on their urgency and importance. 3. Eliminate distractions. Distractions are a major productivity killer. Whether it's social media, email, or phone notifications, it's important to eliminate as many distractions as possible when you're working. This can mean turning off your phone, closing your email, or using apps that block distracting websites. 4. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves working in short, focused intervals, followed by a break. The idea is to work in focused sprints, which can help you get more done in less time. To use this technique, set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task until the timer goes off. Then, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this process 4 times, and then take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. 5. Take care of yourself. It's important to take care of yourself in order to be more productive. This means getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and exercising regularly. Taking care of yourself will give you the energy and focus you need to tackle your tasks and be more productive. 6. Keep a to-do list. Finally, keep a to-do list. This can be a physical list or a digital one, but the important thing is to have a place to record all of your tasks and track your progress. This will help you stay organized and focused on what needs to be done. By setting clear goals, prioritizing your tasks, eliminating distractions, using the Pomodoro technique, taking care of yourself, and keeping a to-do list, you can be more productive and achieve your goals. Remember, being productive takes time and effort, but with these tips, you'll be on your way to a more organized and fulfilling life. Outro. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other productivity tips, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on productivity and personal development.